Web3 TV friends, I'm Ornella Hernandez and I'm at the Scope Markets booth at the Forex Expo in Dubai. Joining me here we have Michael, who is the Group CEO of Rostro, the company that owns Scope Markets. How are you today?
Yeah, I'm doing very well, thank you. Yeah.
So how's it going at the Forex Expo? Why'd you come out today? How's it going so far?
So far, it's been fantastic. It's kind of exceeded our expectations in terms of foot traffic. And we've come out here because this region is something that's very important to us strategically going forwards. We have a footprint in all corners of the globe, and Middle East is essentially the next that's on our radar. So we're here to kind of let all the partners, clients and brokers know that we're coming.
So walk me through a little bit of the structure of the companies. We have Rostro, and I know that you guys have maybe a bunch of subsidiaries that are brokers. So what's the strategy right now? What is your role?
So Rostro Group is a holding company, essentially. So we started this business with the belief to create a multi-brand, multi-product financial services group. So Scope Markets being one of our first acquisitions, flagship brand, we're continuing to look at both partial and full acquisitions of other brands, whether that be broker-dealers, fintechs, digital asset businesses. We're having many conversations. So the structure for the group is to run multiple brands, multiple products, multiple financial services, all within one umbrella. And the end client essentially gets the benefit of trading and investing through someone that has access to all of that within one company at the end of the day.
So when it comes to digital asset companies and crypto companies, what are you looking for specifically?
So from our standpoint, we've had two types of conversation. One primarily with technology providers. We've looked at exchanges. Something that we believe is that rather than us taking the path forwards to research and understand how to build some of this technology, there are a lot of fintech providers out there that have effectively done the work but haven't got that go-to-market strategy now. And that's something that we believe that we can kind of step in and help them with. Second vertical being to look at market making specialists in the crypto asset space and looking at how we can kind of work with those and then potentially acquire some of them.
And what's your personal outlook on the crypto markets right now?
I see that it's been through a period of turbulence and change, but that's very much aligned with all asset classes and products in history. So it now needs that period of stability. I think regulation is a good thing. It will come in and it will help them to help the product range to mature, customers to feel safe and secure. But I think it's here to stay, and it's definitely a permanent part of what all of our brokers in this room are going to be offering going forwards.
Are you an investor yourself in the crypto market?
I have done, yes, I am. I will not pretend to be an expert, but I have done, and I believe it's because you should also be part of what you're preaching and what you're selling at the end of the day.
Definitely. And no one's an expert. They claim to be, they probably aren't. And so what about then Scope Markets and its capabilities when it comes to the crypto markets? What are the features there?
So we have a range of derivatives, crypto derivatives that we offer via our trading platforms or via Fix API. We have some exciting kind of projects that are going on in the background regarding increasing our range of instruments, access to perpetuals, and working with some of the tier one market makers and exchanges on basically just giving a more complete, robust product offering to customers. And we're focusing at the moment in kind of the traditional broker-dealer space, just giving access to a range of markets for clients.
All right. And then what is your outlook or forecast when it comes to just the general financial markets? Is there anything that you hope will happen within the next few months or next quarter?
Yeah, I mean, it's a good question. I think the environment has shifted. The last 15 years, interest rate differentials haven't been as they have now. We've had a period where there's been increased volatility spikes, but it's all been driven off of different events. Now what we're seeing is there's suppressed volatility, even amidst the backdrop of inflationary pressures. The market structures have changed. I think from a risk management standpoint, everything has shifted. The business models of the last 15 years will not work going forwards. Effectively, if you're looking to kind of internalize or warehouse a lot of risk, that will not sustain.
You said suppressed volatility, so less. Yeah. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It depends on your business model. Like for us, we have a model where we run a multi-book structure. So we have a model where we can generate income, positive cash flow through low, medium and high volatility environments. So for us, it's a good thing. For some of our peers, it might not be, but we've worked hard to build this diverse business model.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Michael.
Thank you. Thanks for your time.